Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Roblox while playing the game, or you are in the middle of the game is crashing without any error message or any kind of warning. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, let me make you one thing very clear that the issue is with the current update and even the issue is known to the developer. So to fix out this issue, open up your web browser and open up this website of the Roblox. From here, you need to click on the option older versions. The issue is occurred because of the latest update from the Roblox. So you need to download an older version, and for an older version, I recommend to use this March 19 version. Click on the link. Now scroll down and there is a download link. Click on it. Save this version of Roblox into your system. Once it is saved, go ahead and install this Roblox, and this will completely fix out the issue. Although, if you do not want to use the older version, the only option you have left is to use the Microsoft Store. Open the store, type in Roblox, and then hit the enter key. Now you will find the Roblox game. From here, click on it and choose the option install to install the Microsoft Store version of the Roblox, and this will instantly fix out the issue of game is crashing right in the middle of the game without any kind of error message. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving update from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.